Hello and welcome to Happiness Online Math. We have an exponent question on the board and we're supposed to find the value of x. Let us go ahead and solve for the value of x. So in this question, we have 256 raised to the power x plus x equals 0. So the next thing we're supposed to do here is we're going to move this over to the right hand side, or we can subtract x from both sides. So now we have 256 raised to the power x plus x minus x minus x. So we have 256 raised to the power x equals minus x. Now, the next thing for us is to try to get the variables to one side of the equation, and then we just leave the numbers to one side of the equation. So we have a power of x. To get rid of this, we just multiply by 1 over x, okay? And then now we have to do it to both sides as well. So now this becomes 256 raised to the power x times 1 over x minus x. This is raised to the power 1 times 1 over x. X cancels out. So now what we have is 256 raised to the power 1, obviously, equals minus x raised to the power 1 over x. Now let us break down 256. And mind you, we need to rewrite 256 in such a way that it looks like what we have on the right hand side. So we know that 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 will give us 256. Okay? So now this becomes 4 raised to the power 4 equals minus x raised to the power 1 over x. Now this is looking close. The left hand side is looking close to what we have on the right hand side, but we're not there yet. So we need to continue to manipulate the right hand side, okay? So that at the end of the day, they both, left hand side and right hand side, both look similar, okay? Now, let's rewrite what we have here. This we can rewrite as minus x raised to the power 1 times 1 over x. And now we know that 1 is the same thing as minus 1 times minus 1. Minus times minus will give us plus. 1 times 1 is 1. So in place of 1, we'll put this. So now we have 4 raised to the power 4 equals minus x raised to the power minus 1 times minus 1 over x. We know that a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power mn. Okay? So this we can rewrite as 4 raised to the power 4 equals minus x raised to the power minus 1 into minus 1 times 1 over x. This now looks like 4 over 4 equals x raised to the power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over x. Okay? So what we have here now becomes minus 1 over x. Then minus 1 times 1 over x will give us minus 1 over x. Now, we can see that we have minus 1 over x as the base, minus 1 over x as the exponent. We have 4 as the base and 4 as the exponent, so we can just equate. Okay? So now we can say that 4 is equal to minus 1 over x. Okay? So now, 4 is equal to minus 1 over x. Now we're supposed to find the value of x. We can cross multiply, or we can move x. If we move x to the top, this comes to the bottom. Okay? So we can do that, or we can just cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have 4x equals minus 1. Just to make things easy. 4 times x will give us 4x. 1 times minus 1 will give us minus 1. To find x, we divide by 4. Divide by 4. Our x is equal to minus 1 over 4. And this is our answer. Okay? Now, let us go ahead and verify this answer to make sure it's correct. So to verify, we have 256 raised to the power x plus x equals 0. That's our proof. We need to prove that this left-hand side is equal to what we have on the right-hand side. Our x is minus 1 over 4. So 256 raised to the power minus 1 over 4 plus minus 1 over 4 equals 0. 256, we've already established 256 to be 4 raised to the power 4 times minus 1 over 4 plus minus 1 over 4 equals 0. So in this case, 4 cancels out. We have 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus times minus will give us plus times minus will give us minus equals 0. 4 raised to the power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over 4. Okay, so we have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Our proof, we're trying to prove is if that's going to be equal to 0. 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is 0. And that is also equal to 0. So now our left-hand side is now equal to our right-hand side. So now we've been able to prove that our value of x, which is minus 1 over 4, is the correct answer. So if you learned something new today, make sure that you share this video to someone else that you believe it might be beneficial to. And if you loved it, subscribe to the channel, like this video. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.